Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and on this video, I'll show you paano ko ginawa ang giant bow or giant ribbon na ito. So, what we're going to need ay dalawa at kalahating glittered foam. Big glitter foam to make a big bow or giant ribbon. We also need scissors to cut the foam. You can use cutter if you want to. As you can see, I cut into half ang isang glittered foam. And we're going to use as well scotch tape, double-sided tape, stapler, and adhesive glue. After mag-cut into half, i-fold ko siya pahaba. And then, we're going to fold it into 4 or into half as well. So you can see, folded na siya. And to secure it, we're going to use our scotch tape para hindi siya maghiwa-hiwalay. At masecure yung ating isang part ng ribbon. As I mentioned a while ago, we're going to need 2.5 glittered foam. And every part, yung first two, yung buo, we're going to cut it into 2 para magawa yung 4 parts ng ribbon, and yung half part ng glittered foam, we will going to use it as pinaka-tail ng ribbon as well as cover sa pinagdugtungan ng ating mga ribbons. And just repeat the process, cut into half, fold, and then secure. Ayan, we're on to the last piece of the glittered foam. Binabawasan ko lang yung side nito para mas manipis ng konti lang yung ating tail. Yan, hindi ko siya sasagadin kasi yung isang part sa taas, yan yung pinaka-cover ng mga pinagdugtungan natin ng ribbon. Alright, so we're going to cut this into half as well, pahaba. After natin mag-cut into half, itutupin natin yung dulo sa baba or whichever part naman kasi pwede naman yon. And then, ikakat natin paslant para magkaroon ng edge ang ating tail ng ribbon. Ayan, set aside lang natin siya for a while. Then, we're going to cut then yung pinaka-cover ng pinagdugtungan ng ating mga ribbon parts. Pwede dito, cut mo lang ulit sa half, tapos itutupin mo lang sa half. Pwede yon. Pero pag gusto mo mas malapad ng konti, so ang gawin mo lang is bawasan mo lang siya ng konti. After mo bawasan ng konti, pwede mo siyang i-secure using stapler or double-sided tape. Whichever ay ang mas okay sa'yo at available sa'yo. By the way, you can use these ribbons, big ribbons or giant bows, as Christmas decor. Dahil palapit na nga ang holiday season. Yan. Pwede sa Christmas tree, pwede sa wall, whatever or wherever mo siya gusto gamitin. So this time naman, nagkakata tayo ng double-sided tape kasi didikitan natin ang bawat part. As you can remember, meron tayong 4 na parts na nagawa a while ago. And make sure, pagdidikitin na natin ang apat na parts, dapat i-check mo muna kung iisang side lang ba yung magkakaharap. Or, I mean, iisang side yung pagdidikit-dikitin mo. Kasi, meron diyang nakaumbok at meron din naman nakalubog na part. So, double check mo muna before mo idikit ang ating mga parts na ribbon. Yan, you can fold or kapag medyo kawang yung taas or yung pinagdugtungan pwede mo siyang lagyan din ng glue or i-staple mo siya. Then you can bend the edges para magkaroon ng curve. And then we're going to put the cover sa pinagdugtungan ng mga ribbons. Pwede mo siyang i-secure or pwede natin idikit using double-sided tape or the glue na multi-purpose or super adhesive. Then just wrap it around doon sa middle part ng ating ribbon just to cover yung mga pinagdugtungan. At syempre, yan yung pinakapagdidikit na natin later on ng tail ng ribbon. So, nilagyan ko siya ng double-sided tape and pwede din natin i-support ng glue. So you can see, maglalagay din po ako ng glue as support. More glue, the better. Kasi medyo malaki nga po ang ating giant bow. Malaki ang ating bow, ang ating ribbon. And after mo siya magdikit, pwede mo iset mo muna, intayin mo muna mag-set or maglapat ang ating mga adhesive. And then while nagwe-wait tayo, pwede natin i-prepare yung pinaka-tail. So, staple lang natin siya. Para may kabit na natin sa ating ribbon. So, we're going to use the glue as well. By the way, I'll post the link din ng glue ito sa description below. So we have our giant ribbon in gold color. Now we're going to make our red ribbon naman. So, just repeat the process or same process lang. Ang gagawin natin sa ribbon na ito is color red. And after a while, we're going to have a red giant bow. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe this video. And thank you so much. God bless us all. Bye-bye.